Hello everyone, I'm Eric Stalker. I'm here to talk about MetaLumen's Rail Acoustics product, and we're going to show before and after in this space and how we can enhance the room's sound with these acoustics that we're going to install. In this space is a pretty standard meeting room for us. We have around 6 people that can be around a table. We do have a lot of hard surfaces in this environment. We have the glass, we have windows, and just allowing a lot of sound to bounce around off these hard surfaces. When we bring in the acoustics, we're going to show you how we get them installed quickly, and then also the after effect of the testing with the acoustics. We will be doing a clap test and show the before and after of that effect. Welcome back. We've installed our rail acoustics in the room. We have our unlit baffles here to help improve the sound absorption in the environment. I'm still speaking to you in my normal voice, and we're going to come back and do the clap test to see how it impacts the space. From the before and after, you could hear the difference in the acoustics. We reduced the echo, and we've used the acoustics in other places as well too. As you can see in our open office, we have acoustics with the lit and unlit. We have the indirect light, direct light, and just the standard baffles as well to provide the acoustics, reducing the echo in this space.